This printer was making clicking noises when you attempt to print, and it would jam also. They called a previous tech on site to install a maintenance kit. The maintenance kit consists of a fuse and a few rollers. Apparently, he installed the hardware correctly, so they had to call in the cavalry to fix his issue. Well, fix the issue that he caused. I don't know what the printer was doing before they called him on site, but this is the result we got after he worked on the printer. What I'm doing right now is replacing the transfer belt. They shipped the transfer belt to site, thinking maybe the transfer belt's causing the issue after the previous tech installed the maintenance kit. After replacing the transfer belt, I tested the printer out when it was still making those clicking noises. The noises sounded like it was coming from a fuser area. So I checked the fuser area, but I didn't see any debris around there. I didn't see any paper stuck in there in the fuser. I didn't see anything. I didn't see any broken pieces on the fuser or anything. I called tech support to see if we can diagnose the issue together, see if we can narrow it down. Unfortunately, tech support wasn't much help, so I had to go in it alone. But they did ship more rollers, so I figured let me try some of these out. Like I said before, these rollers are part of the maintenance kit. Now, what I don't like about the rollers is they send so many different kinds of rollers, and it's hard to match up the rollers with what's already installed in the printer. So it takes me a little while to match up and reference what's going on and stuff. I removed tray 2 to check inside of it to see if I could find a match with any of the rollers they shipped. There were no matching rollers inside the tray itself, but when I checked inside the printer in the tray 2 area, I noticed a roller that was installed crooked, and that had to have been what was causing the clicking noises during the printing. There's a tab on the roller that you can press to release the locking mechanism so you can remove it from the printer, but it's very difficult to get to. I'm trying to get up in there with 2 hands to release the locking mechanism, but the small spacing up in there making it very hard. Push it in. I finally figured it out. I ran test prints, confirmed the printer was fully functional, and I was good to go. That roller being installed crooked was definitely the cause of it rattling. Bingo. And causing clicking noises during printing. No more rattling.